What is revision knee replacement surgery? A revision knee replacement surgery is a procedure when you do the knee replacement for the second time in a joint which was already replaced few years ago. The causes for revision are many. It may be that over a period of time the artificial joint wears out over the years and that becomes loose after say 15 to 20 years of the first surgery, in which case the patient may experience symptoms of pain, swelling and not being able to walk properly on the replaced joint. In those situations, after thorough assessment of the patient, we recommend a revision knee replacement surgery in which the implants that have been put during the first surgery will be removed and a new set of implants will be replaced again into the knee joint. These revision knee replacement surgeries are becoming commoner as the patients are living longer after their first surgery. Usually, this revision surgery is slightly more complex than the primary surgery, but the results can be expected to be good in most patients. There are some serious complications like infection and stiffness of the joint after surgery following revision surgery, but in experienced surgeons' hands, the results can be expected to be reasonably satisfactory in many patients. Thank you very much.